Hello OG Squad, how are you guys doing? I'm doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the start of a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber and OG Squad, thank you so much for your support. The start of a new vlog. Please don't skip the ads, guys. That is how I make money here. Please share my content. Other than that, I appreciate the support, guys. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Yo guys, I said let's get on with the video. Let me just quickly tell you, to run a few errands. So I am taking you guys with me. I hope ngizokwazi ukuvlogger xa ndipha estratweni. If I can't, or for whatever reason that I can't, I'll show you guys what I was doing out there. Okay, yeah. So masien. Guys, I just had a quick stop here at Carlswald. I needed to ask a general question at a bank, so it can be any bank. So yeah, I was like, oh, kukho any bank elapha Carlswald, dithindi stop by and yobuza that question. So yeah, I got the information that I wanted. Right now I'm off to Woodmead. Woodmead ndifuna Sportsman Warehouse no Woolworths. So yeah, I'm going there now. Guys, jongani ndibhaqebane ndimkhole apha eWoodmead lo sisi. Ndimkhole apha eWoodmead ugirl elahlekile shem efuna nokhala. Hi sis. Hello. Hello mntana katata. Unjani? Hi. Okay guys, we met here. See at Sportsman Warehouse in Goku. Yeah, let's do this. Ipigandi, what is the name? Hey, Bechunan. Also speaking logo.
Thank you so much. This way is
Yep.
oh nice.
Oh, in my size. It's not this one.
Nice.
It's this one. It's not about nice. This is the one I want. Can you see?
Oh.
Let's have this thing.
Show his size. Now 11.
I won't be able to open this when I get home, guys. But yay, we find cycling shoes for Bay. This is the only size. This is the only make you have gule size. So yeah, guys, you see I'm on size. But yeah, happy. That is what I came to Sportsman Warehouse for. So yes, we got them. I'm so happy as in. Ugo lo ongazi mama kithi intoni. Hey, lusizi ngawe shem yazi.
Yabona lobu athela uyafunda la.
Guys, uthi ubhuti ndithi sushiya ndifuna uvlogger. Okay, nanga ke ama-clit guys. Ndithi bhuti sunishiya mina ndivlogge. Uthi hayi ndisemsebenzini mina. But anyway, yep, we got this. That's a 200 ne. Ndithe ndifuna a 200. Yep, this one is 200. Yeah. The next stop is Woolworths. I just need a few items from Woolworths and we go back home. Thank you, my baby. Just 2 minutes, ne? Okay, thank you, Tandra. Okay, guys, we are back from. Oh, I want that. We're back from the shops. Okay, thank you. Hey, my baby.
Oh, something up.
We bought bread. I think it's Nagella, but I don't know why I'm worried. Tomato. Is it? Okay. Fabric softener. Elastoplast. because ke sana utata ka little human ebezihethile komnye umnwe pha enyaweni, and then we ran out of this. I'm glad I remembered them. And then coffee. I think I was about Uzipi because uthathe from emayezini ezinye sizazibazi. We don't remember how many. That's Zippy. It's my bathroom. That's those jonga, but it's fine as expire. And then coffee refill because I'm running low on coffee, so it's refill.
Which bandage do we have?
Bandage, Mama. And then
smaller.
inyama, ribs. And then apples.
Mama, I can't wait to see inside my bandage.
You can't wait to see inside the bandage?
Yeah.
Okay, Nana. Broccoli. Nana.
It's broccoli. It's green.
It's broccoli. It's green.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Like cucumber.
That's like cucumber. It's green like cucumber. Okay. Umbona. Sweet corn. What is this?
Sweet corn is yellow.
Sweet corn is yellow.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Satenga porridge.
Right.
Yes, little human porridge. And then I saw this and we got them for 174, sorry. So we got this for little human. We got this for little human. I love them because he's at that stage where he's kicking everything, stones, like he just kicks. So this strong up, they will last. And then we got this. These were 229, but I initially wanted this color on these ones. I've been eyeing it for a while, and then the issue was that they don't have any other color except for this, because they had green and black, but it was green and black, but they didn't have his size. So now I changed as I set a navy on this one, but I initially loved this color for this, but I was like, I guess was like literally exactly the same shade. So I was like, I know the only difference, if any blue end and time, would just be the shape in front, because I want to is round and then see the shape here, and that's the shape bang. But yeah, so yeah, that's what we got from a Woolworths. Yes, my baby. I'm not gonna, let me see, I'll tell you how much we spent on food, because we bought the food separate. It was 607 rands. Sorry guys, we're looking for Maria Teta. It was 607 rands that we spent on food, and then for Ezistam we bought them separate because it says Puma, and then we saw, and then we saw these shoes. How much did you pay for the shoes? Is it this one? What is this? This is for this 53 rands is for this. See if we can sleep for the shoes. Oh, but this packet back in. This packet back in. Let's see. Not bad. Nice, I think. But Ilula Ayazo because it's 174 and 229 now. So it was 403 for Izzy. So I'm gonna try and recover my money from his dad. Wish me luck, but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to recover Imariam Kasana. Yes, Nana. If you move end. Yeah, guys, so we're back home now. And I'm back saying Benchie Umchini for Senza laundry. It's gym clothes. The first load is gym clothes. So now I'm gonna take those out and then the fight again will go any load. So yeah, I'm if you for now. So the time right now is 3 o'clock, guys. Oh, baby, we're going 11 XM. But yeah, let me get busy again. Then Cooper's and then but unpack it today. So yeah, that's my Saturday, guys. I'll see you when I see you. I don't know which I don't know when I'm gonna record again, because I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. But for today, I'm done. I'm not gonna record. Okay, guys. Bye for now. It won't be as cute.
How do you do? Nails don't show. Wow, that's
Doing crazy dreaming.
Hello guys, it is Sunday morning. The time right now is 9:38. I'm in the car. I just came from the gym. I took a shower in the gym, so in the fresh. I'm now packed Pamko go Woolworths. There's Woolworths behind me. I just want to get a few items like chips. Snack. We grew up calling snack chips because I know everything is chips, but anyway, yeah, just want to get a snack for my sister, my cousin sister, because if I say my sister, you guys are gonna get confused. For my cousin sister, she's traveling from Eastern Cape, so she left last night, which is Saturday. She's gonna arrive a bus station in Midrand in the next hour, because I just spoke to her now. So in the next hour she will be arriving. Now I'm just gonna meet her to say hi and then Diambe, because she's actually going to a Northwest, but from up a bus station bazothatha a shuttle, and bazothatha a shuttle ibase a Northwest. So I just want to say hi because I've got time. 9:39, I must be there at 10:30. I think I'm gonna buy the snack here and then Dilande Ulikli Human, so that she gets to meet Ulikli Human. They've never met in person. Umazi only on the over the phone. So yeah, I'm gonna go home from here, take Ulikli Human, and then we go. I'm not sure if my sister is gonna want to come with me, Amanda. I'm not sure if she's gonna want to come with us, but yeah, if we're ready, we'll go together. But I don't know, because like I said, we say early guys in 9:39. So yeah, let me do this. Let me buy the snack, go home to get Little Human, and then go meet my cousin. I'm back from the I'm back from the shop, ne? I'm using the front camera, so anuzobona kakuhle. It's by mirror reflection. So I quickly also went to Pep. Aibo iyawi camera. Amen. Hey guys, this thing, and I'm not gonna crop out this part. Okay, yeah. So I went to Pep, I think Pep to get a tissue oil, because we ran out of tissue oil. So I got these three for 70, because the big one is 62 rands. Ne? That's all I got from Pep. As the end, camera holder. Phone holder. Yes, yes. Okay guys, let me just quickly want to show you what I got from the Tenget. This dried fruit mostly. These are pears, and then I got chips. I got sweet. I just got some water. I got this drink, pina colada. And then, oh, I got this for Little Human. Let me just take it out. And then, oh, I also got a chocolate. One thing I know about her, we are turning to sweet. So I'm this about wrong with shame. Oh, and then there's eggs. Easy. I hope you guys can see. Nazo, it's multicolored eggs, but those are eggs in the chocolate in a packet. So yeah, that's all I got. I also got a cappuccino for myself and Bay. I checked, he's still home, because he said he's gonna go to the gym as well, but so I don't know if he's still going. But I got ourselves coffee. I've got grande for myself and tall for him. So for all of this I paid, let me see if it is sitting quickly. I paid 324. But I paid 324. So yeah guys, let me go. What's this? Oh, this sweet. Let me go home. The Little Human. See, I'm 10 o'clock now. I literally have 30 minutes, but yeah, I'll make it. So, and then Buya Payana, by the way, I think I want to cook. Izolo bentenge broccoli nombona, sweet corn, and ribs. So I want to make that for lunch. Hopefully Amanda hasn't started cooking. Yo guys, this thing was supposed to be, let me see. Yes, this is much better. Anyway, bye for now. Sisendleleni guys, ngizobenzisa front camera. Sisendleleni ke ngoku eya ku cousin wam. It's a full family, it's a full house. It's a full house. Kaloku ndinazo ne viewers zase ezinga understand isiXhosa. as much as ndisithetha isiXhosa, but not all of them. Kaloku wena usubuthetha nomtshana wakho othetha isiXhosa ongumXhosa. And yho, little human. Let's see your camera, Nana. Let's see your camera. Let's see your camera. Little human, guys, has got his own camera. Okay, thank you. That's beautiful. So yeah, sisendleleni guys, siyapha Bay, Little Human, and my sister. And so I'm wearing this t-shirt ebhalwe Lesotho, ne? And then naye unxibe i-t-shirt ebhalwe Lesotho. Oh, ayibona ka ebhalwe Lesotho. Nanoba ke mhlambi it's a matchy situation, guys. Kodwa ke shamazi Jolani, it's fine. Andinimoneli uthi nana. Okay, ithi ndivale kuzoncokola emotweni. Big garage. Omnye Ubuti could not wait to wear his new shoes. He wore them yesterday already and he wanted to go to school. I said, Mama, I need to go to school. I'm late for school. So Shem is wearing his new shoes. Mdanam. And this one?
And this one you can get it 350.
I must say 350. Okay. There's a 351. But this one is the same. This one?
This one also.
No, you said this one is 350, ne?
Yeah.
And this one? 300. I will. Yeah, good. Then, but no, any option that means. But 750. Yeah. Oh, put it on, yeah. And how much is this one?
This one is the bigger size. Let me show you. This is the bigger one.
Okay. And the one? So how much is this one?
This one is I can give you 500.
Oh, so 250 more.
But it's not like this.
Okay. No, it's fine. I get it. Okay, guys. So we just stopped here, and then Ube asked me which one do I want. Because you know my program now, and not ring light. So we're taking a walk. Cause by the way, we were too early waiting for my cousin sister, so we're just walking around. So yeah. Now he's going to get his wallet, and I think someone singing in Donana. I just knew it. I knew it, but he wants that. You are awesome. Guys, sidibene no-Abu. Usisi ohambe ubusuku bonke. Nemine bonke. Guys, okosinapha ngo-10. She did say but there were some delays. But yay, this is my cousin sister. Say hello to Abu. Okay guys, she made it to OG Scratch, OG Media. Hello guys. We are back home. So when was making live. Earphones is like ne baby ne? Earphones is like almost for it, Jimmy. Okay, okay, take headphones for it, Jimmy. No thanks. Then the lenders are most in the back classes, so yeah, fun. I don't listen to my own music. And besides, so this is the one. Okay. So this is the one that I got, guys. Editengeleyo. In a 3 cell phone holders. So yes, see upgrade and then stand is. So guys, finally the ring light. And guys, I'm doing it. Oh, okay. What am I doing? But anyway, yeah, guys, injured. Hey, ngizoyophula andiyazi ngisetshenziswa njani. Uzokwazi ukufuna? Ngiyaziveza. Oh, I think ndipha isikorokoro sa. Hayi ndiyayimosha. Oh, so okay. Hey guys, sendile. Uyahumba kaphandle. Oh, you're in the guys. I don't know. It goes. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see all the way up, but anyway, yeah, so I'll send the roll. Now I'll be able to put the phone. Bonus at the top counter. Oh, okay, nice. This is nice. Yes, Nana. I need to pause it now. Nana, just give me 2 minutes, please. Send the Kobev. Look, human wants to unpause. Mama, you need to unpause it now. Oh, bye back. Lena, oh, Lena. Okay, guys, I'll figure this out anyway. So, the plan was not to really to do a detailed unboxing, but just to show you, I got this one. Lena. Thank you so much, Mureki. And then from Payana, a bus station, my sister and I went to China Mall. Sayolungisa le curtain. If you guys remember, there was a curtain that lace curtain that we bought for the sitting room, but it wasn't going to be used because E1 erode yapayana. Yeah, so I'm going to your hanger there. Yes, my baby.
Go to school now.
You wanna go to school now?
Yeah.
But it's Sunday today, my baby. Going to school tomorrow.
It's not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
Yeah, I need to go to school because I'm late.
Because you are late.
Yeah.
So you're late for school. So when are you go to school on Sunday?
Yeah. With Mama.
Okay. So then you're gonna go to school, my baby. Guys, since we he wants to go to school. But anyway, yeah, so basenzele i-curtain. They charged us $480. Ukufaka but it's a stitch and then wafuneke ba extend the upper zands. Oh yes, you see, because ibikade I think ibingaka lento bidablishe so nansi nangomgcaba khona ndiyabona. You see, I'll show you guys. Ibiphinda phindwe so. Ibi so. I hope you guys can see. Ibi so. Now by qaqile so that ibe a little longer because as lingani length. As lingani length sitting room yasekamereni. So yeah, ndizofaka le curtain. Bengithe kuni earlier ndizawupheka. So Amanda said I must not cook. Happy me. So ndizohlala ndibukele ku Netflix. There's something I want to watch. We were watching something last night with ulale qala. He slept first. Then that dinner, I think in Lale 10:30 because I was gonna wake up and go to the gym. So na qonda 10:30 yo ama ndicime ndilale. so ndifuna uqhubeka ke ndibukele yabo. So yeah guys, let me go hang this and then my sister will cook. Yeah, that's all for today.